Hello! You're probably familiar with mobile decontamination units or decon units. We rent out decon units, but if you need one often, it may be more affordable to buy one instead. And of course, we would be happy to advise you in the purchase of a decon unit. If buying is the best option for you, I would recommend the mobile decon units made by the German firm Deconta. We are the Deconta dealer for the Benelux. And we choose Deconta because it's the absolute best decon unit available in the market today. These mobile decon units are equipped with the latest technologies, including operations via a smart touch display that allows you to read and set all of the decon unit's functions. You can also use the smart touch display to start a custom disinfection program and a frost protection program at the press of a single button on the display. Naturally, you want to be able to choose the size that is best for you. So, Deconta offers decon units in 3 sizes: large, larger and largest, and with 3, 4 or even 5 compartments. But there are even more options available. You can choose the Connect version, a plug and play unit. Simply plug it in and get to work. Or choose the hybrid version if you don't want to be dependent on an external power supply. The Ready Pack features the standard equipment package to help you perform most common decontamination tasks. And it is available from inventory. You could almost take it on holiday. As you see, we always have a model to suit your exact needs, with or without a waste hatch, sink, self-closing exterior doors, under pressure pump, chemical toilet, solar panels, etc, etc. And of course, if you want to see one for yourself, feel free to visit during opening hours or call this number to make an appointment. See you next time!